Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ananya Jain. So guys, since lockdown है तो शादियाँ नहीं हो पा रही हैं. जहाँ पे पहले इतने सारे wedding cards distribute होते थे 1000, 2000 and no limits after that. वहीं पर now that number has been reduced down to just 50 to 100 cards. But somewhere it's good also because हमारे पास already इतना wedding card waste पड़ा है घर पर और तुम और cards दे दो. तो पहले हम उस waste को खत्म कर ले, then you can give more cards, right? जस्ट वन थिंग मुझे अभी बोलते बोलते रियलाइज हुई गाइस कि मुझे सब चीज से रिलेटेड आइडियाज इस लॉकडाउन में ही आ रहे हैं, बीट एनीथिंग. बट वो होता है ना खाली दिमाग शैतान का दिमाग. सो आई गेस दैट्स जस्टिफाइड, राइट? एनीवे, वी वर ऑन रीयूजिंग ओल्ड वेडिंग कार्ड्स. सो टुडेज वीडियो इज ऑल अबाउट हाउ वी कैन मेक डिफरेंट थिंग्स आउट ऑफ अ वेडिंग कार्ड. सो लेट विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट विद द वीडियो. So guys, I have divided my video into two sections. In the first one, I'll be showing you the different wedding cards that I have collected for this video. And in the second one, I'll be showing you how these cards can be used to make different things. So the first card that I have with me is the simple basic card, which is available in all the households. It has a leaf like this inside it with flowers on the other side, and it is a thicker one. So there are some leaves which are made out of paper, but this is somewhat thicker. So this is one of the cards that I have. These two cards are exactly similar to each other, so I'm not showing the other one. The next thing that I have is these leaves from different cards. Now the cover and the cards have been used elsewhere, but I was left with these leaves. So I thought that इनको कहीं use कर लेते हैं. It has visual representations, very beautiful visual representations. So I thought that we can actually, combine and make sort of a theme and then use it somewhere. So the other set of leaves from the other card are these. इसके पीछे भी कुछ लिखा हुआ है, but it has again visual representations like these. So let's see how we can combine them and make something new today. The next is again the leaves from 2 or 3 different cards. So one of them is this, which is a thinner one made out of paper with Radha Krishnan visual representation, and it has border also like this. So another one is this one, which is a thicker one, plus it has pattern on the other side. Instead of any visual representation, it has pattern. So let's see how we can use all of these leaves. The next thing that I have is this card with a bag. Now these are normal birthday cards, और कभी कभी छोटे functions के लिए भी होता है, कभी कभी weddings के लिए भी होता है. So I really like these bags that come with these cards. So let's see how we can actually, combine this card and the bag and make something new out of these two things as well. The next thing is this set of 3 cards. Now basically the leaves have been used somewhere else. The cover has also been used, but I was left with these cards, empty cards. So it has a flap like this, and the cover is also very beautiful, not very, theme specific. Another one has a ribbon like this and a lady's picture on one side, and the last one is also like this with a flap like this. So these are the 4 cards that I had. Let's see how we can actually make use of them as well. The next one that I have is these 2 card boxes. So this is a huge wooden box that I have. I'll be showing you later in the video. For the time being, I'll show you this smaller card box that I have. So as the name itself suggests, it's a card box. इसके अंदर card आता है. So you might even have guessed कि हम क्या करने वाले इनका. So these are the 2 set of card boxes that I have with me. So first of all, we'll be making a wall painting in which I'm using the leaves from 2 different cards, and one has Radha Krishnan ji on it and another one I'm using for their borders. So there's no hard and fast craft rules as such. It's simple cutting and pasting, and I'm simply going to paste the bigger picture on the smaller 2 leaves so that it has a border to it, and at the same time it looks like a painting as well. So I'm simply going to stick it on the 2 leaves that I have. So this is how I'm gonna apply Fevicol on all the edges so as to ensure कि वो अच्छे से stick हो जाए. And I'm simply gonna paste on the other 2 leaves that I have with me. Please ensure that you do not move the entire thing a lot, because otherwise it will shift. And ensure that you press it from all the edges as well, so that it's fixed in place and uska border shift nahi hue. So this is what we have with us. Here we have used contrast as well. Upar pink tha to niche pink lagaya hai, and back side se it looks like this. Now this is ready, and for the purpose of the loop, so that we can hang it, I'm using this rope for this, and I'm simply gonna cut it into a small piece as per the size that I want, and I'm simply gonna stick it. If you have any other sort of rope, you can use that as well. I am applying Fevicol in the required place, and I'm simply gonna stick the rope there. But if you feel that it's not that strong, or it will not be able to hold the entire painting, because obviously we have a cardboard leaf as well, then you can fix it with the help of tape as well, or glue gun. So I am simply applying a lot of Fevicol so that it's very hard in the place, and I'm using glue gun as well, like this. So this is ready. One of the wall paintings is ready. This is another set of wall painting which we'll be making. So there we use 3 leaves. Here we'll be using 2 leaves only, and then we'll be mix and matching is done for making this wall painting. So I'm simply gonna stick this on the patterned cardboard leaf that I have, and we'll be done with our wall painting again. So it's very simple. There's nothing that you need to worry about. The purpose of this video is so that you get an idea कि हम कैसे different cards को mix and match कर सकते हैं. So this is how I have done it, and for the loop we'll be doing the same process. This is how I have made 4 wall paintings, so that I can show it to you all. 4 different types of wall paintings. Now wedding is an auspicious occasion, which is why a lot of them had Radha Krishna ji on them. The next one is the storage box. So as I said, these are the card boxes that we have. So first one I have simply used to store my oil painting tubes in it. So if you're a makeup person, you can use for that also. If you want to store anything else, you can store whatever you want to store in them. So this is one of the ways I'm using the box. This is the huge wooden box that I have. Now it's very rare that you have such big boxes, but since I had it, so I thought of sharing it with you all. Now this is what my mom is actually using it for, to store her jewelry, her neck pieces, her bracelets, bangles, earrings, whatever she has in her jewelry. So this is how we are using it currently. But if you are a makeup person, again you can use it for that. You can use it for storing your stationery, anything. If you want to cover it also, you can cover that. You can also basically use quilling to cover it, but I wanted to keep it like this, so here it is. The next one is the wall hanging. So like I said, that these are basically leaves from 2 to 3 cards that I had, and I realized that these all depict a marriage theme. So we'll be making a wall hanging out of all 4 of these leaves. For that, I'm using this cardboard sheet that I have. And again, there's no hard and fast craft rules as such. You'll simply have to, assemble them in whichever way you want to, and then you just have to stick them. So I'm just assembling them like this, and then I'm going to stick them on the cardboard. So once we are done with the sticking part, we'll be 50% done with this wall hanging art. Like this, I'll stick the other 3 leaves as well. So we are done with the sticking, and now I'll cut out the extra cardboard which is visible on this part, because that's of no use to us. So I'm just cutting out the extra cardboards. Like this. So we are done with the removal of the cardboard as well. And now I'm just removing the extra cardboards which are visible, so that it has a finished look altogether. So कहीं से जहाँ से cardboards cutter से cut नहीं हो पाए हैं, तो I'm just removing all of that. So again, for the loops, I'm using this rope, and I'll be putting that on all the 3 pictures, not just one, so as to ensure that it's balanced, because it's gonna be very heavy. The next one is this card with this bag. So we're gonna make a paper bag. Now we already have a paper bag, you all must be wondering. but it has a lot of things written on it, and these bags are really very good. If I have to give a birthday card to somebody, I can put it inside this bag. So I am just gonna renovate this bag so that I can use it again. So I'm just removing andar wala part. I'm not using this currently. Instead, I'll be using the sheet which has a design on it. So this is a sheet that I have, and I'm simply going to cut the other sheet that is attached to it. Now I am going to use the designered part. You can use the plain part as well if you feel like using that. So I'm simply going to stick it on the front side of the bag, and that will cover the entire written portion. But if you want to use white portion, you can use that as well. That's totally as per your choice. If you feel कि design इतना अच्छा नहीं है, or maybe you feel कि नहीं plain ज़्यादा better लगेगा, that's totally how you want to experiment all of this. So I'm simply going to apply Fevicol, and I am pasting it on the bag like this. Now we are left with a part of it is coming out of the bag, so I'm just cutting it out. So this is how I'm gonna cut it out, and then we'll be done with the bag. That's so simple to make, no? So we are done with the bag. So the next thing that we have are these 3 cards like I showed you in the very beginning. So we are gonna make folders. Now we just don't have to do anything. It's just the idea कि कभी-कभी नहीं आता है कि हम ऐसे भी use कर सकते हैं इन cards को, which is why I've made this video. So for the time being, I'm keeping my mandalas in them. If you do not know what actually a mandala is, then I'll link it in the description, also on the screen somewhere, so that you can go and check out what actually a mandala is. So this is how I'm gonna use it. So if you feel कि ये कहीं बाहर नहीं ले जा सकते, तो at least घर में तो कुछ चीज़ स्टोर करने के लिए we can at least use them as folders, isn't it? So this is how I'm gonna use all of them. The next and the last thing that we have is envelopes. Now this is the most commonly made thing out of an old wedding card, but I had a lot of other ideas, which is why I showed them before this. So for this, I am simply removing this part of the cover. So I'm not using the card but the cover of the card. So I'll remove this. Once I'm done removing, I am just cutting it out from the rest of the cover, because this is the part that we'll be using for making our envelopes. And ensure that you've not torn it in any way. So I'm simply gonna fold it in the shape of an envelope. Now just do not crease it before, because adjust it first of all, adjust it in the way you want it to look like, and then only start making the crease. So now I've seen it how it looks. Now I'm actually creasing the entire envelope like this. Now we are done with the creasing part. It's very simple. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna fold it inside like this. I'm gonna make a crease, tight crease here. Now हो सकता है आपके ends बहुत ज़्यादा पतले हो गए हैं just because आपने उसको tear किया था. But just ensure that you fold it inside. Now cut the upper part of the envelope like this. Just the upper part. I have simply stuck that part like in the video, and then I'm cutting the upper part as well. Now if you feel कि आपको ये वाला part पहले ही cut कर लेना चाहिए था, तो आप पहले भी cut कर सकते हैं. It's not necessary. Otherwise you can do the way I have done it. So this is how you will stick it like a flap, and similarly we do it for the other side as well. Both the sides are done. Now we are almost done with our envelope, and it's just the finishing part which is left. So I am just giving a circular shape to the edges of the flap of the envelope. But if you want to experiment and you want to do some other designing here, you can do that as well. So this is how our envelope will exactly look like. This is how it will look like. And I have already made few envelopes, so I thought of showing it to you all. So this is a smaller one. This is again a smaller envelope. This is a very beautiful Radha Krishna envelope, and it's in the portrait form, not the horizontal one. So this is another beautiful envelope which has a bigger flap and designer flap as well. So it's all about how you want to experiment your envelopes. And this is another one that I have, white colored. This is another wedding themed envelope. This one is again very beautiful because first of all the color and next it has visual representations on both sides. This is the one that we have just made. And this is the last one which has another different type of designing in it. If you really like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Drop down your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and do not forget to press the bell button so that you get notified about every new video that I upload on my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video till the end.